I'm so glad you found my channel, Sweet Uniqueities, where everything I do here is always sweet and custom for an event, making it a true uniquity. And today I'm going to show you how to make some beautiful sugar crystals that can be custom for any color or any event that you have planned. So let's jump into today's project. The true star of this video today is Rolkem food color. I'm just telling you guys, these colors are crazy intense. They are so vibrant. And I cannot stop smiling when I look at them because, and actually I don't think the camera's doing it justice, but the colors are such a throwback to the 80s. They are completely neon, they are completely fun, and I feel so youthful when I look at these. I just feel like I'm in middle school. So if you are a child of the 80s, as I, please comment down below and let me know what your favorite thing about the 80s was. And I know there were so many, but just let me know what you loved about the 80s. That would be so awesome. I would love to have you as a subscriber. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. I don't know if you have ever been into like an Asian grocery store, but they are quite fascinating. And there's so many cool products. I mean, half of them, I don't even know what they are, but I love seeing all the colors and all the labels and all of the just interesting things. There's a lot going on, and I had the best time. There's actually a couple, I believe, in Cherry Hill, New Jersey. And I happened upon the store and I just was kind of walking around and I was inspired by this bag. It was very inexpensive. And I couldn't read, like I can't read that, but thank God they put English underneath it. And it says, white crystal lump candy. So we are gonna be dabbling in white crystal today. And I thought it was so pretty. Like, look at that. But I got this entire bag for like $3. And then they also had Big Mac Daddy crystals. Look at those. Those are huge. So I love them. I think they're beautiful. I think they're beautiful as they are, but we are going to give them some color because that's what we do here at Sweet Uniqueities. And I think they will be amazing on top of cakes or cupcakes. So let me show you how simple it is to take a simple, basic, plain candy and add some color to it. So I hope you like today's video. I seriously trying to get these darn things open. You have got to be smarter than the plastic container you're trying to work with. Seriously, people, I need help. Send help. Oh, South Jersey stat. A note about South Jersey. I have loved my time here. We've been here about 2.5 years, but I am moving. I'm gonna be a Georgia peach next. So I hope you will join me. And this is probably one of the last videos I'll be filming in this kitchen. We are currently looking for a new home in north part of Georgia. So, oh, I got it open. I got it. Oh. Holy bagoli sweet peach tea, people. Look at this. Oh my God. Now, I don't think that it will probably be quite as intense on the rock candy, but holy schmolies. Even if it's not, a muted version of this is gonna be fantastic. So I am not disappointed. Rolkem, you are fantastic. This brand is amazingly beautiful. So, okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put some of this rock candy into the baggie. And again, it is just seriously so beautiful. Like seriously, it's so pretty by itself. And it is very crystal-esque. It has like, it looks sort of like rocks or crystals that you would, buy in a rock store, or whatever. I know there's a girl I went to high school with, Anna. I don't know if she watches my channel, but she loves rocks and geodes and such, and she has something on Facebook, and she's always selling rocks. They're always so pretty, but she would probably think these are beautiful. So, so now I'm going to put a small amount of this powder in here. I need something to scoop it out. So, 1 minute. Here we go. Okay, got a little baby spoon. This was Nathan, my son. He's 21 now, but God, he's almost 22. But this was his little spoon when he was a baby. Somebody gave it to us as a gift. I still keep it. I use them for different things. So I don't really know how much I'm gonna need because this stuff is crazy potent. I'm just gonna sprinkle some in there. We're just gonna see what happens here. There are other videos that are probably from more legitimate people on how to do this on Facebook, or excuse me, on YouTube. But anyway, so I'm using some vodka. I just have a bottle of very inexpensive, cheap vodka that I use for my cupcake toppers all the time. But you only need a couple of drops, so you know, just whatever you have will be fine. I did about 4 drops, so I don't know, but we're gonna see this, if this is enough. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I love it. How pretty is that? Okay, it's actually very vibrant, and I just used a little smidge of color. I'm so happy. Oh, I love this. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go grab some wax paper to let it dry on, because it is a little bit, you know, a little bit damp because of the vodka. This will probably definitely, that's technical terms there, transfer. The color will probably always transfer. So if you're going to be putting this on white icing or light colored icing, you're gonna want to be very careful that you put it where you want it, because if you move it, the color will probably transfer. But on a cupcake, that's no big deal. So I think that'll be beautiful. That's probably perfect for one topper, one cupcake. All right, so we're gonna do another couple colors. I'll let you watch me do that. I'll speed it up, but awesome. So cool. I'm happy. This is a good day. This is a good day. So I really should get out more. I am absolutely feeling like a valley girl with these totally tubular neon colors that are completely a throwback to the 80s. I don't know about you guys, but I'm having so much fun with these colors. You can totally adjust the colors and control that based on how much of the powder you use. So these colors are super pigmented, super potent. I think you're gonna love them. I'm gonna link them down below. So here they are in all their super pigmented glory. I'm gonna throw them on some cupcakes so you can see the final project. So here they are. What do you guys think? I would love it if you'd leave me a comment and let me know what you think of today's video. I would also love it if you'd come back and see me, and the best way to do that is to subscribe. Also to ring that bell. And here is a view of what it looks like with one of those larger crystals. I did it not as intense, but still beautiful. There's a lot of detail on this. So lots of ways you can use these crystals. So have a sweet and unique day. We'll see you soon.